Hey everyone, welcome to Review Nation. Buying a product online is not that easy when you need something reliable, functional, and affordable at the same time, and it's challenging to find the right one. First, there are thousands of blenders for protein shakes you could choose from. Then comes figuring out which brand would be right for you. How many brands are available? Thousands and more popping up every day. Thirdly, you need to consider what sort of price range your budget can accommodate. Lastly, you need to consider if they will all be shipped to you in time. So, buying something online is pretty easy, but finding the perfect product is not an easy job. From thousands of products available, and to choose the best blenders for protein shakes is a hell of a task. To save your time and effort, we have created a list of the top 5 best blenders for protein shakes reviews for you. We have researched many products, and finally, we decided on the top 5 best blenders for protein shakes available now. We hope you will find this list very helpful in choosing your favorite product easily. If you want to see the price and find out more information about the products, be sure to check the links in the description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ninja Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 is a best-selling blender with a 1000-watt motor and large 72 ounces pitcher. It has unique total crushing blade to pulverize ice and hard ingredients. It has a sturdy feel and attractive look. Simple controls featuring 3 speeds and a pulse button. It is a powerful full-size blender that Consumer Reports rated as very good in overall performance across a range of various blending tests. Dishwasher safe. On the negative side, the sharp blade can come out if the jar is turned upside down, so use added caution when cleaning. Some complaints about the total crushing blade not blending fibrous vegetables as well as other ingredients. It is loud like other blender of this power. The Ninja Pro BL610 blender has thousands of reviews with a very high overall rating and performed well in various blending tests. Some people prefer a traditional blender blade rather than Ninja's total crushing blade designs, but it continues to be a top seller since 2010. If you want a blender that make protein drinks as well as crush ice, blend smoothies, and make full-size batches, then the Ninja BL610 Professional is an affordable option. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Multi-Function Blender Model 58148A is a terrific value with 700-watt motor, 40 ounces glass pitcher with special pour spout lid, and multiple programmed blending functions. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite was my top value pick for glass blenders as it has very strong reviews and offers a lot of performance and features for less than $30. It has a decent 3-year warranty and would be an excellent choice if you want an inexpensive full-size protein shake blender. On the negative side, it won't puree some hard ingredients or do horsepower-intensive blending jobs like making nut butter. Consumer Reports rated this blender as fair in overall performance, but it was comparing performance to more expensive blenders. A good value if you want a cheap countertop blender for protein shakes and other simpler blending tasks. It has thousands of reviews and continues to be a top seller for people that want a decent blender for a very low price. Don't expect it to blend everything, but for simpler tasks it works great. Number 3. Nutribullet 600 Versatile Compact Blender. The Nutribullet 600 is an upgrade to its Magic Bullet blender and is more powerful than the Oster My Blend with 600 watts and provides more accessories so you can blend, dice, and mill grains. Has a 24 ounces capacity and with extra cups and a blade for milling. The jars come with lids so you can take your blended drink on the go without having to clean an extra pitcher. It works very well and can do basic food prep, make whole food smoothies, make nut butter, and grind flour or seeds. It easily blends difficult ingredients like nuts, fibrous vegetables, and fruits with seeds. The Nutribullet 600 will last longer than a cheap blender. On the negative side, it is more expensive than the Oster My Blend and might be more than you need if all you want is a basic protein shake blender. If you want a personal blender that can not only blend protein shakes but also make a wide range of healthy smoothies, then the Nutribullet is a good choice. It can blend almost any ingredient that you put into it and won't overheat like cheaper personal blenders. Number 4. Oster My Blend 250. The Oster My Blend is a basic 250-watt single-serve blender that will work great for blending simple protein shakes. It has a 400-watt peak motor with simple one-touch control. The blending jar is actually a 20-ounce BPA-free sport bottle, so you can just blend and take your drink on the go. It is cheap and has positive feedback with thousands of reviews. Simple to use and it works. Good Housekeeping Institute tested the My Blend blender and said it was a top choice for protein shakes and blended drinks. It also did well making blending margaritas and grinding coffee beans. On the negative side, it is for small portions. There are some reviews that said it struggled with ice. Overall, it is a great compact blender for the price that works fine for simple protein shakes and small blending tasks. Perfect if you want a portable travel blender. Overall, the Oster My Blend is the best blender for protein shakes if you want a simple, low-cost option. It comes in various colors, but we just linked to the popular model that comes with an extra blending jar. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Blender. While we realize that the Vitamix 5200 is a little overkill when it comes to making simple protein drinks, the 5200 is an option if you are wanting a blender that can do anything and will outlast any other blender in the market. Yes, there are less expensive high-speed blenders that work well, but the Vitamix ranks at the top of more independent blender tests than any brand on the market due to consistent performance and reliability. There are a lot of Vitamix blender models, and the 5200 is their classic, best-selling model that is purely made for performance. It has a 2-horsepower motor and variable speed controls. It is a proven workhorse of a blender that can handle a wide range of tasks and blend anything. Blends to a fine consistency and can even make hot soup out of ingredients because of how fast it blends. The only negatives are price, and it is tall at 20.5 inches, so it won't fit under a typical countertop cabinet. We only included the Vitamix 5200 for those who are looking for a commercial blender that can handle any blending task and will replace having to buy multiple cheaper replacement blenders over the years. It will create very smooth protein shakes no matter what you put in them. That's all from my end. I make helpful review videos daily, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. If you need more information or if you want to know the price or any available discount, please check the links in my description. For any kind of problems, please comment below. Stay tuned with us for updated reviews on the best products. It will save time and money. See you later in our future videos.